In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Replit, a process that's simple yet essential for maintaining your account's security. Whether you're finishing up a coding session on a shared computer or just rounding out your workday, it's important to know how to securely log out of your Replit account. So, let's dive right in and make sure you leave your session safe and sound. First, we'll start by accessing your profile menu. This step is your gateway to logging out, so it's important to know exactly where to go. If you look towards the top left corner of the Replit interface, you'll notice your profile icon or your username. This area is generally prominently displayed, as it's a key element in managing your account settings. By clicking on this profile icon or username, you will open a drop-down menu. It's a versatile spot because, aside from logging out, you can manage account settings or switch between different profiles if you have them. But today, we're focusing solely on the logout process. Now that you've got the drop-down menu opened, it's time to initiate the logout. In the menu, you'll find several options. However, the one we're interested in is labeled Logout. This option is typically easy to find, as it's designed for quick access, especially on public or shared devices where logging out is crucial. Just go ahead and click on Log Out to begin the process. It's a straightforward action, but let's take a moment to appreciate its importance. By logging out, you protect against unauthorized access, especially if you're using a device that others have access to. Once you've selected Log Out, you will be securely signed out of your Replit account. This action doesn't usually require any further confirmation, streamlining the process to make sure your data is protected as quickly as possible. However, if your browser prompts you to save login credentials or asks for additional confirmation, it's always a good idea to avoid saving passwords on shared computers for your security. And just like that, you've successfully mastered the logout procedure on Replit. Remember, good security hygiene like logging out can go a long way in safeguarding your personal information and code. This habit is especially beneficial if you often switch between multiple devices or share computers with others. It's a simple step that brings peace of mind, knowing that your projects and data stay private. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, this guide provides the clarity and confidence you need to securely log out from Replit. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy walkthroughs and tips on making the most out of your tech experience. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.